What if I told you one apology isn't enough? Because when you hurt the girl who loved you the most, you didn't just break her heart, you shattered her trust. And no, sorry won't fix that. So if you really want to make it up to her, this is what you need to do, step by step. First, feel the weight of what you did. Not just what happened, but how it made her feel, her silence, her distance, that empty look in her eyes. That's not drama, that's damage. Second, apologize, but mean it. Not through a lazy text, not with excuses. Say it from the heart. I hurt you, I was wrong, I take full responsibility, and I want to fix this. Own it. That's the only way she'll believe you're serious. Third, give her space. Don't beg. Don't spam her phone. Let her breathe. Healing needs silence. Respect that. Fourth, show, don't tell. Start changing what you used to mess up. Be transparent. Be consistent. Be present. You can't rebuild trust overnight. You rebuild it with 1,000 small actions, done again and again, without expecting applause. Fifth, bring back the man she fell for. Not the version she's scared of now. Do the little things again, the messages, the inside jokes, her favorite snacks. But this time, do it with intention. Sixth, let her feel everything, even if it hurts you to hear it. Don't interrupt her pain. Let her cry, scream, go cold. She needs to get it out, and you need to stay still and listen. And last, be ready to lose her, because sometimes, even your best won't be enough. If she walks away, let her. If she comes back, be better. And never give her a reason to doubt you again. Because when a woman who's been hurt still chooses to love you, that love isn't soft anymore. It's sacred, don't break it again.